Careful now. I want to make a mess. Bother. Let me get my pistol. I'm quite used to emerging victorious from things. Do they have good socks? I'm dying for a better pair.
Huh?
Silly bollocks, come here, I'm gonna clip you one.
Stop messing around, need backup.
My old bones can't handle too much of this. Literally, I can feel them rattling.
Where's that sneaky prick got to? You heard already? I'm only getting started. Take that, you numpty! I can see him. I can see my mum.
Hey.
Ah, you're back. Are we ready to pop out? Jolly good. Tea break's over, chaps. To freedom.